This video will demonstrate how to set up TikTok store. Go to business.tiktokshop.com, scroll down for a while, and you can start setting up your TikTok shop right here as a seller. You're gonna go to Learn More and pick up your TikTok shop location, whether it's Asia, Europe, or North America. I'm going to choose this one where I am a United States seller. Click enter. You can either sign up with your phone number or email. You could also log in your TikTok or Google account. So we're going to sign up now. There are 4 different business types, including individual, sole proprietorship, corporation, and partnership. Just choose one meeting your requirement. Take individual business type as an example. Click Next. Here you need to choose your ID type first, upload the respective image, fill in the legal name, US passport number, date of birth, expiry date, and residential address. Choose either social security number or individual taxpayer identification number and fill in the last 4 digits of tax ID. Then shop information needs to be filled in, including the shop name, primary product. There's an essential step to ensure your security. TikTok requires your phone number for verification. After you finish the process mentioned above, click Submit. Your TikTok store will be set up successfully. There are more details and examples available within For Seller Online Help Center. Don't forget to like and follow our channel, thus to get more useful e-commerce experience sharing. If you're interested in For Seller and think it's useful to you, then please leave yes in the comment area. This is Jolene. See you in the next video.